In this video, I'll show you how to use the world time feature of your Casio G-Shock GBD-200 or GBX. This is your normal home screen of your watch, and if you tap over here 3 times on this top left side button, you enter world time, where you're gonna see your current time, and on top you can have another time zone where it will tell you the time of the time zone and the date. So how can you configure this top part over here? It's very easy. First thing, we need to keep press this top left button here during 2 seconds. I'm gonna enter in the menu. To navigate through this menu, you're gonna use the left up and down button, like this, until you select world time. Press the start button once you're on it. Press the start button once again, and here you have to select one of the city that is in the time zone you want to track on the top of your screen. So let's say I want Athens. I'll have my small triangle on the left side, and then I'll press start to select it. I'll get this setting completed, and you're done. You can go over here DST, which is daytime saving, by pressing the left lower button here and then start, and you can switch this auto off or on. To go back, simply press this back button here, right side lower button, and as you see now, it has now changed. I have on the top here Athens time zone with the date and my local time zone down below. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.